Social media has become an integral part of every real estate agent's lead generation strategy. As new social media platforms constantly arise, it can be difficult for agents to keep up and adapt to changing technology, especially if they don't have much prior experience. In this video, I'll share 25 real estate social media marketing tips that you can implement in your lead generation strategy no matter what platforms you're on. What's going on, everyone? I'm Kyle Handy, a realtor and team leader here in San Antonio, Texas. I help teach other realtors, team leaders, and brokers how to grow and scale their real estate business through digital marketing, content creation, social media, as well as tried and true methods. And if you want proven strategies that you can use to get more leads, closings, and scale your team, you'll love this video. Keep watching. Before I get started, if you could do me a huge favor and hit that like button, I'd greatly appreciate it. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't already, as I release a new free training 3 times per week, as well as go live every Tuesday, and you won't want to miss any of it. Finally, if you'd like my free real estate business plan template to track your sales, commissions, profit and loss, net worth, and budget, head over to kylehandy.com/business plan to download it today. Okay, now let's get started. Number 25, completely fill out your profile. An essential step to real estate social media is making sure your profile is completely filled out. This includes your profile photo, banner photo, bio, office address, contact details, and relevant links to your real estate agent website and other social media platforms. Number 24, create a brand logo. Before you officially launch your social media account on any platform, create an official brand logo. A logo is a key part of your personal brand and helps boost your credibility as a business for potential buyers and sellers. Consider hiring a professional graphic designer if you need help creating a high-quality logo. Number 23, take advantage of video. Video is a key element of almost every social media platform, and you can use it in a variety of ways. For example, you can take videos of open houses, property tours of your listings, or informative videos that answers your followers' questions or shares relevant advice. Also, video works great on your Facebook and Instagram stories. Number 22, create content for your local community. The content you post on every social media site should be geared towards your local community. Maintaining a local focus will establish you as an authority and expert in the area. Types of local focused social media posts you can create include videos or blog posts giving an overview of your nearest city, videos or posts that focus on a specific zip code or neighborhood, and sharing information about upcoming local events. Number 21, join groups. Particularly Facebook and LinkedIn have real estate industry related groups that you can join to start providing value to people and increase your brand awareness. Make sure you join groups where your target audience is spending time. Then become an active member in that group by answering questions, starting discussions, and sharing advice. Number 20, use the right hashtags. If you're simply throwing random hashtags on your Instagram posts, then you aren't utilizing them properly. You need to put a lot of thought into what hashtags you include in your posts. Use a mix of both branded and generic hashtags on your posts. Developing a branded hashtag will help you stand out from your competition and get your followers to interact with your posts. Consider using a hashtag tool to help you identify what hashtags to include in your posts. For 29 post ideas for real estate agents that will actually get engagement on Instagram, check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 19, schedule in advance. There are many tools out there such as Instagram Creator Studio or Tailwind that will allow you to schedule all your posts in advance. This allows you to post on a consistent basis with minimal effort. Number 18, post at the best time each day. Depending on what time of day you post, you'll receive more or less engagement on your content. Do some research to figure out what the best posting times for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and other platforms. Then be sure to stick with that schedule. Number 17, post consistently. Consistency is key when it comes to success with real estate social media. Find a schedule that works best for you and stick with it regularly. At the very least, you should aim to post a few times a week on more popular platforms like Instagram and Facebook. Check out my other video for some tips on developing a social media posting schedule. Number 16, engage regularly with your followers. Be sure to like, comment, and share your followers' posts. Social media is about forming relationships with people, and a key part of this is showing that you're active and involved in their lives through engaging with their posts. Number 15, include testimonials. One of the most important parts of real estate social media is collecting reviews and testimonials. Your Facebook business page has a dedicated space for client reviews. In addition, you can also share reviews and testimonials as part of your weekly content schedule. Number 14, share quotes and memes. Two other great sources of content are real estate quotes and real estate memes. Post this type of content in between your blog posts or videos to keep your followers engaged. Quotes and memes are also highly shareable, so it's easier to get higher engagement rates on these types of posts. Number 13, create simple graphics. You can find relevant stock photos on free sites like Pixabay and Unsplash. Then use simple graphic tools like Canva to add text and other features to them. You can use Canva to create infographics, Pinterest pins, Instagram posts, and more. Number 12, know your current audience. Be sure to tailor your content and posts to your current audience and their needs. For example, if you constantly post listings to your real estate social media, but your followers aren't searching for a new home, you're neglecting their needs. Include a mix of content that can keep all of your followers engaged. Number 11, post a mix of business and personal content. Share a mix of business and personal content on your social media. If you only ever post real estate related content, your leads will never get to know you as a person. As a realtor, it's important that you get personal and share content that invites your clients to get to know you for who you are rather than the salesperson they assume you are. Number 10, ask your followers questions. While regularly posting different types of content is great, it's even better if you directly engage with your leads through a specific call to action. Wherever you can, try to ask questions to your leads to get them to comment on your post. Then when you start engaging back, you'll end up creating a discussion that others will want to join in on. Number 9, hold contests. Another great call to action is to hold contests or giveaways on social media. When your followers participate in these types of events, it will create high levels of engagement and boost your brand awareness. Examples of contests include awarding different types of engagement like likes, shares, comments, and follows, or a property photo contest where you encourage your audience to post photos and then reward the most popular one with a prize. Number 8, use paid ads. A tried and true method of using social media for real estate is paid social media ads. You should definitely include real estate Facebook ads and Instagram ads for real estate agents as part of your social media marketing and lead generation strategies. Particularly, Facebook is a great option for paid advertising because you can set up Facebook retargeting ads. In addition, it's possible to get Facebook real estate leads without paying very much at all. For strategies to master Facebook retargeting ads, check out my other video that I'll link above. Number 7, utilize Pinterest for listings. Besides sharing and promoting your original content, Pinterest can be a great place to share your listings. The most effective way to do this is to join a real estate themed collective board. These collective boards tend to have higher follower counts and more active engagement. Then just post photos of your listing along and include the source URL in the pin. Number 6, use analytics. Another key aspect of real estate marketing on social media is to constantly keep an eye on your analytics. This is key to understanding if your strategy is paying off. You can track impressions, engagement, click-through rates, demographics, and more to see which posts do better than others. Experiment with different strategies until you find what works best. Analytics is something you'll constantly have to keep an eye on because different metrics will change over time. Number 5, share success stories. Another great content option to post on your social media is client success stories. Share stories from your past clients and how you help them find their dream home. These act as social proof for how good you are as an agent, and your audience will find them more relatable. Number 4, partner with local businesses. Creating relationships with local businesses or community members can be mutually beneficial for strengthening each other's social media presence. You can share each other's content and also collaborate on creating content or doing giveaways. You'll boost your engagement all while growing your sphere of influence. Number 3. Use keywords in titles. Many social media sites rank content based on how much engagement they receive and what keywords they use. Content that features popular keywords will rank higher and as a result receive more engagement and higher click-through rates. In order to break into this cycle, you must create content with compelling titles that can capture people's attention and get them to click. Number 2. Keep on top of the latest platforms. In order for real estate professionals to have a really successful real estate social media strategy, they must adapt to the latest technology. In fact, keeping up with the latest trends is crucial to your success and will put you ahead of your competition. And number 1, be authentic. Above all, your followers will appreciate it when you're authentic. Don't be afraid to get personal and show your followers your real life, as well as the unpolished, behind-the-scenes glimpses into your real estate business. This will make you more relatable and easier for your audience to form a stronger relationship with you. All right, so to sum it up, real estate social media marketing is key to building a successful real estate business. As social media becomes increasingly popular, it only becomes more crucial for you to maintain an active presence across all the different platforms. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Also, hit that thumbs up button and give this video a like, as it helps my videos reach more real estate agents looking to grow their businesses. And by the way, if you're interested in partnering with me at eXp Realty, head over to my partner page and check out the exclusive benefits you receive. I'm passionate about helping agents win. I've already partnered with nearly 100 agents across the country to help them increase their real estate business and generate more leads. And I'm never too busy for you. When you partner with me, you receive free access to all of my current and future paid courses, which you can find on academy.kylehandy.com. Additionally, you get access to my private Facebook community called The Dream Team, where I go live multiple times per week. Head over to kylehandy.com/partner for more information. Finally, if you've made it this far, I want to thank you. Type #EndCrew into the comments to let me know that you watched to the end. And now I want to turn it over to you. What social media marketing tips will you try? Let me know in the comments below. Until my next video, be well and get out there and sell some homes.